What's up guys, and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be really in-depth reviewing the stuff that I got from the Tarte sale. Got a bunch of goodies that I'm going to be doing. Your girl's got lashes on. Don't know how I feel about it. Please let me know in the comments below. Do I look absolutely insane, or are they a game changer for this look? 50-50 on it. So if you want to see how I felt about them, how they look on, obviously this is the completed look. So if you like it, you want to see how those things are worn, go ahead and keep watching. Like, subscribe, comment, do what you gotta do, and thank you guys for watching. Let's get into the video. Alright, so we have already primed the face. I have done my eyeshadow, my eyeliner, and actually my eyeshadow is from this Tarte palette, Tartlette. It's in Bloom. It's super pretty, like neutral colors with some shimmers in there. I'm going to go ahead and put on my face tape foundation. Like I said to you guys, I had this like over a year ago and I remember loving it, but it's been so long that I just need to refresh my memory and let you guys know. This is the pump and the packaging. I am in the shade 35N, which is medium natural. On our beauty sponge. And then I'm probably going to have to touch up my makeup, like my eyeshadow, a little bit once I do this, just because I typically will do my face first, but I figured get all the stuff that we're not talking about out of the way. Off the bat, get that nose ring out of there. The coverage is for sure better. I think this is why I like this so much. The coverage is insane. If you want full coverage, here you go. So the concealer is the other one that I love. So I do not love it any less, but if you want absolute full coverage, this is your guy. The face tape is your guy. It's for short matte, which I like, especially in the summertime. Like, if you're not an oily person, you're still going to get oily from the sun, the sweat, the humidity, and wow. This is so, like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but like any skin unevenness, veins, whatever it may be on my face, a little bit of acne, because I do have a little bit under there, don't know if you noticed, but I do, and it is gone. It is gone like the wind. Dang. Wow, it is beautiful. Okay, dang good. Just like I remember. The face tape might be a slight bit more matte than this one. Also like a slight bit more coverage from the face tape than the concealer. Love them both. So yes, I might just have to put all my other ones away for a little bit and use this one. The foundation, for you that are wondering, amazing. I remember why I loved it so much. Next, I'm gonna put on some concealer, of course. Tarte Shape Tape. I'm gonna go ahead and put that under. This is not new, but must complete the look, obviously. I was not planning on doing a whole look, but I really wanted to go ahead and get this up and really be able to test out all these things. I was super excited about it, so it looks like we're wearing some makeup today. I am going to bronze up a little bit. So the new brush that I got, it's a powder brush. It's for powder, clearly. I used it the other day. I was dying to know, and I love it. So I'm going to use my new pretty brush with the City bronzer that I broke first day that I got it, and tap my brush in there and just so lightly give a little bit of definition to my cheeks with the bronzer. Like, my face looks so tan from that foundation, but I feel like this is just icing on the cake. The brush, I love it. I totally recommend it. If you need a new, bronzing brush, you could even honestly do blush with this if you wanted to. Any kind of powder, I do recommend. I think it's so pretty, it's so cute, and I love it way more than, I think I just had like a drugstore cheapy one, and this one I really do like. So cute and so fluffy, and you can really do a lot with it, so recommend. We'll put on some blush. I'm going to use the Tarte, I believe it's, yeah, the Amazonian Clay 12 Hour Blush in shade Dazzle. So this is the blush. It does have a little bit of shimmer. Not bad, it's very subtle. For those that don't like shimmer, you honestly probably aren't even going to see it at that point. So I'm gonna take my brush, just stamp it in there, and then stamp it a little bit on the cheeks. Ooh, it's a pretty pink color. And yes, you do have to go back in. I know there's some blushes where you could literally just do it one time. You've got insane pigment. This one you do have to go in, you know, a couple times, but I also don't put too much on my brush because I don't want it to be insane right off the bat. I mean, I think it's a pretty color. Next video, again, I will let you know how this wears like all day long, but I think it's a pretty color. I honestly don't really see any shimmer in it, though there is like tiniest bit in the pan. So if you're worried about shimmer, don't be worried about shimmer. So that is the blush. I do like the color. If it wears well throughout the day, I would absolutely buy another one of these. So yeah, good job, Tarte. I'm going to just put on some of my Becca highlighter in Champagne Pop, my favorite. It just kind of goes with the little like neutral colors we've got going on right now. Just, in my opinion, gives like the perfect pop of, you know, some shine. Because I cannot do a complete matte face with, you know, no shimmer or anything. Just not my vibe. Honestly, my lips are driving me nuts, so I'm gonna go and put on my favorite Tarte lip paint. It is in the shade Festival. Yes, it's my all-time favorite, and I'll show you guys why. So just like the eyeliner, this is like, I need a moment of silence to put on the lips. Another great thing about this is it may be matte, but it is far from dry. Like, it is going to dry matte, and it's going to dry quick like it says it does, but it is not dry, which is amazing. You don't look like you've got cracked, need some balm lips, you know? With that being said, if this shade is not your color, this line can still be for you because the formula is just amazing. I'm gonna show you guys what I do for my bottom lip in just a sec. Like I said, it is matte but not super dry, so you don't have the cracked looking lips. And my little trick for the way I put mine on to get it as perfect as I can is, this is what the applicator looks like. It actually has like a little bit of a curve into it, so it just seriously goes on the shape of your lips so perfect. So I'll take the tip of that and just get the arches of the top lip, and then I, you know, you saw I filled it in, and then I'll fill in the middle of my bottom lip, and then I take the tip of this and I face it towards me so that the part that's sticking out is away from me, so I don't get it like, you know, down here, and I just take that so lightly and line my lips. And that's how I do it without a liner. I can do it without a liner pretty well, so I like to do that. And as you can see, this is why this is my absolute all-time favorite shade. No matter the month or the season, I feel like it's just so perfect. Like, I've got my light top on, so it's not like dark in fall, but then when it is fall or it is winter and I've got like black on, it just like pops, and it's so good. Festival in, what is it, like the quickest dry matte lip from Tarte. So yeah, it's beautiful. I love that. Let's move on. I'm going to jump in with some mascara. So this is the Lights Camera Lashes mascara. I actually, ironically, after I posted my video, I saw a video from, I believe her name is Kelly Strack, right? Beautiful. She is amazing. I love watching her, and she actually was trying this out in like a video of, you guys messaged her your favorites, and this was in there, so that made me even more excited to do this video here. Okay. I was worried about it because the bristles are like so teeny tiny, I wasn't sure, but it's really doing its thing. Do you see that? Wow. I'm definitely a fan. And of course today is the day I'm about to put lashes over it, but this is working so well, like so effortlessly. Okay, so I love this. It really like separates your lashes. They don't clump together. They aren't like super thick, though I do like thick lashes. Like, look at that. Pretty. I like it a lot. And it's pretty buildable. It definitely gives me length in my lashes for sure, because mine are not that long, unfortunately. But I think it looks gorgeous. So definitely going to be one of my new favorites, I think. Now here's the test. Most mascaras I cannot use on both bottom and top because the wand of the mascara will always like get on my bottom lash and it's just not a good time, but wow, that worked out. Okay, I swear, like, I have really good luck with products because I haven't really been running into anything that I absolutely hate and made me look bad. So like I said, really good luck, and I'm glad that all these things that I'm finding are good and not bad, and I'm not like going through hauls of, wow, this is all terrible. Like, this is great stuff. I really do like this mascara. Unfortunately, we are going to cover it up with some lashes. Today is that day. Yeah, we are gonna do lashes. So that is going to be my last step. They are the Tartiest Pro Vegan Lashes in the style Goddess. I'm gonna pull them out so you guys can get a better look. So here they are. Very pretty. I picked these because they're not like crazy bold. I'm going to do this off camera because it is very nerve-wracking, and hopefully one day I can build up the courage to do it on camera, but I will be right back. Alright, so I'm back. Lashes are on. You guys are going to be the judge. Tell me if this looks completely ridiculous or if they are beautiful. So basically how I feel about this is I've never worn them before, and I'm sure for anyone that puts them on for the first time, you're like, whoa, who is that? And that's how I feel right now. I think that far away they look great. Up close, they're like, bam! So you guys be the judge. Let me know what you think. I think, like, if I took a picture, I'd be so into this. And I'm not gonna wear them for the full day because I'm so nervous about it, but please let me know in the comments if I look absolutely ridiculous or if this is totally making the look. I'm 50-50, so please let me know your thoughts. I'm very curious. Let's add in there that this is my first time ever putting on lashes, so if they're not on to a T, feel free to leave some suggestions. The inner corners are probably where I'm struggling, so yeah, feel free to leave suggestions. Just please don't be mean, don't hate on a girl. So yeah, this is final look. How did I feel about everything as a whole? I loved it all. These are not poking me. I feel great about these lashes. I think that they are a beautiful style. Can I pull them off? I don't know. You guys will be the judge. But yeah, the mascara, absolutely going to be wearing it today, tomorrow, and the next day. I love it. The lipstick, as you know, is my favorite. The foundation, if you want full coverage, girl, buy yourself a face tape. I love it. The palette, I know this wasn't in my little haul, but I love this palette with all the neutral colors in it. The blush, I believe, is beautiful. Let's see how it wears throughout the day. And yeah, that's all for today, guys. I'm into it. I feel like a whole new girl with these lashes on. You guys let me know what you think. Give it a like, give it a comment. Please subscribe. I love to see who's liking my videos. If you do leave a comment, subscribe. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.